All right, fourth grade. Thanks for watching today. Today I'm going to teach you about paragraphing and working on writing topic sentences. Just to review, a topic sentence is usually the first sentence of a paragraph. We call it the topic sentence because it states the topic. It pulls the reader in, it tells the reader about the main idea of your paragraph. Okay, so whenever you're looking for a topic sentence when you're reading, it should state in some way what the main idea of the paragraph is. A good topic sentence often makes the reader ask a question in their mind, like, oh, what's coming next? Or, I wonder why that person said that? Or, what are the reasons for this idea? The topic sentence is something that you should be able to say more about, and it shouldn't be too specific. All right? Let's look at a few examples of not so good topic sentences and see how we can improve them. Okay, so this first example here reads, in my country, elementary schools start school on September 1st. The problem with this topic sentence is that it's too detailed, right? There isn't a whole lot more that you can say about that. A better topic sentence might read like this. Although children go to school all around the world, school starts at different times in the year. Okay, so now I can talk more about when school starts in my own home country or when it starts in other schools as well. Let's look at another bad example. School is terrible, all right? The problem with this topic sentence is that it's way too general, okay? We know topic sentences need to be general, but not so general that you could say anything. Here's another way to improve that. Even though school is very important, elementary school can be challenging for some children. So instead of saying it's terrible, I'm talking about the fact and the idea that it could be challenging for some children, and I'm a little bit more specific about elementary school. Right? There's so much I can say about that in a paragraph following that topic sentence. Let's look at one last not so good example. I want to write about my first day at school. Okay, this is something we see often, right? A lot of us like to announce what we're going to write about. You don't need to do that, okay? Don't announce your topic. Show your reader what your topic will be. So you could improve that by saying, if you think your first day of school was hard, then you haven't heard about the wild adventure I had on my first day of school. The reader knows that you're going to talk about the first day of school. There's lots to say about that. And the reader's interested, right? You don't need to start off by saying, I want to write about. Okay? This is something we should try to avoid. Let's look at some examples that I've written. I've posted here a few starters that will help you writing your topic sentences. You could start by saying, if blah, 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 then blah, 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 blah. Or, even though, da, 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 da. Since, da, 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 da. When, da, 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 da. Let's look at some examples. I'm writing topic sentences that answer this question. So I'm imagining that I'm writing a paragraph that answers the question, how should we protect endangered animals? Okay. If I was using the if-then starter, I would write, if you believe in protecting endangered animals, then there are many things you should do. Okay, simple. There's a lot more to say about it. The reader's hopefully asking themselves, oh, what's he talking about? Another way to start a topic sentence would be with even though. Even though people know more about decreasing animal populations, there are many things we still need to do. Let's try the since example. Since many animal species are quickly disappearing from Earth, humans have many things to do. And let's look at what I said with the when starter. When you look closely at the situation for many endangered species, you realize that there are many things that humans have to do. All right, so there's just a few examples using these starters, right? Those are there to help you. I want you to practice writing some topic sentences. On your Google form, you've got 5 sentences to write. So for each question, you should write one sentence that you think would be a good topic sentence to start a paragraph. Question 1 is, what's a tradition in your family? Question 2 is, how can you be a good friend? Number 3, how can you save water? Number 4, why should children have to have time to play after school? And number 5, why are sports important? Once again, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing your responses on Google Classroom.